Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. This is plaintiff's appeal under section 19 of Family Courts Act 1984 bracket open hereinafter referred to as Act 1984 bracket close, arising out of judgment dated 16/7/2015 and a decree dated 23/7/2015 passed by Principal Judge Family Court Varanasi in marriage petition number 536 of 2013 bracket open Greece Chandra Srivastava versus Srimati Rita Srivastava bracket close under section 13 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 bracket open hereinafter referred to as Act 1955 bracket close, whereby court below has dismissed marriage petition filed by plaintiff appellant for divorce on the grounds of cruelty, adultery and desertion. Stop para. According to plaint allegations, marriage of plaintiff appellant was solemnized with Rita Srivastava on 30/11/2001 in a very simple manner. It is the case of plaintiff appellant that defendant respondent, without taking consent of plaintiff appellant, left her marital home in January 2002 and is residing at her parental home since then. Stop. When all attempts by plaintiff appellant for conciliation between parties failed and the defendant respondent did not return to her matrimonial home to live along, plaintiff appellant marriage petition number 536 of 2013 bracket open Greece Chandra Srivastava versus Srimati Rita Srivastava bracket close under section 13 of Act 1955 was filed by plaintiff appellant for decree of divorce on grounds of cruelty, adultery and desertion. Stop. Apart from factual pleas in respect of aforesaid grounds, it also pleaded in plaint that marriage between parties has been got solemnized by playing fraud. Stop. At the time of marriage, age of plaintiff was 43 years, whereas defendant respondent was aged about 47 years. Stop. However, aforesaid fact was concealed and age of defendant respondent was disclosed as 32 years. Stop. It was also alleged that at time of marriage defendant respondent is younger to her brother Pankaj Khare, whereas true and correct fact is even at the time of marriage defendant respondent was elder to plaintiff appellant. Stop para. In elaboration of aforesaid ground, it was also pleaded that menstruation cycle of defendant respondent has come to an end on account of her age. Stop. As such, defendant respondent is incapable of reproducing a child. It was then pleaded that defendant respondent committed cruelty, both physical and mental, upon plaintiff appellant and his family members. Defendant respondent was alleged to possess MA degree, whereas plaintiff appellant is just high school. Stop. On account of such disparity, defendant respondent used to make objectionable comments against plaintiff appellant. It was also stated that defendant respondent has failed to discharge her spousal obligations as well as her marriage obligations, causing physical and mental cruelty to plaintiff appellant. Stop. Defendant respondent has refused to perform household jobs and has further entered into a scuffle with parents of plaintiff appellant. False allegations regarding plaintiff appellant being drunkard were also labeled by defendant respondent, causing mental agony to plaintiff appellant. Stop. On the question of adulterous character of defendant respondent, it was pleaded by plaintiff appellant that defendant respondent is in illegitimate relationship with Mahesh Khare, her jija within bracket husband of sister, and out of aforesaid illegal relationship, son has been born aged about 12 years. Stop. With respect to desertion by defendant respondent, it was alleged by plaintiff appellant that defendant respondent has left house of plaintiff appellant in January 2002 without consent of plaintiff appellant, and in spite of best efforts for conciliation and a request made by plaintiff appellant requesting defendant respondent to return to her marital home and cohabitate with plaintiff appellant. Having failed, plaintiff appellant filed matrimonial petition for grant of divorce. Stop. Thanks for watching.